Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to Jargon Free Help. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can remove the background from an image you've put into PowerPoint. And it works the same whether you're using Windows or a Mac. On this, I'm going to actually use Windows, but it works identically anyway. So here's what I've got. I've put in my image here. This is my logo, and I want to remove the white background around it. Now, I might not want all of the white gone, but let's have a look at how you do it. So first thing to do is to select the image just by clicking on it. I'm now going to click on the format up at the top here on my ribbon, and you'll see on the left hand side it says remove background. When I click on it, it will have a go at removing it, and it's done a pretty good job. So you can see this color, all this area here is showing what it looks like. Let's just click on it to keep the changes and see what it looks like. Not quite right, but what we're going to do is fix that. So I'm going to click on the remove background again, and you'll see up at the top here it's missing. So this little button here, mark areas to keep, I'm just going to click on that, and it gives me like a pencil here, and if I just click in that area, maybe draw a little bit, it will detect the area around it, and it's now going to keep that. Let's just click on keep changes because you can now see it. That's better. It's got some of the white here, but actually I'd like to have kept the white within that circle. So let's choose remove background again, mark areas to keep. And I don't have to be precise. I just do a little bit there, and sometimes you need to do a little bit more. And there you go, in here as well, and here, and here. And there you go, it's done it. So let's just keep changes, and you can see that maybe looks a little bit better. But I think you're getting the idea. Let's just do one more thing. Let's just go back to remove background. And now there may be areas I want to remove. So let's say I did want this white area here removed. I now click on mark areas to remove. I come back to here. I just draw in there. Maybe a bit more, might need to go close to the edges, and a bit more there, and there, and there, and there, and then I'm tricky bits are just the bits in between that I might want to get rid of, and there's a bit there. I missed a bit further down in this bigger circle here, but it's got a good, I say that, there we go, good way of actually, and I'm just going to undo that because I went just a bit too far. Let's just see how that looks. So let's click on keep changes, and you can see what it's done. So now I can click on the remove background. It will do a pretty good job of detecting what it is, but in this case I had to go into keep certain bits, and also I could remove certain bits, and now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, click on subscribe on this channel or go to my website, jargonfreehelp.com. Thanks for watching.